Hi! Welcome everyone in this new YouTube video where I bring you at the uni with me. I have 4 days of residential, 2 days of ecology and 2 days of fish ecology and aquaculture. A lot of things are planned. We'll go for snorkeling, we'll go at the sanctuary, we'll dissect some fish. I also have some exams, but we'll talk about that later. Anyway, we'll have so much fun, so you're coming with me. 4 days of fun, 4 days of residential, 4 days at the uni. Let's go.
Somewhere. It must not be available.
All right, the morning is done. It was really cool. We had a bit of an introduction of what we will do on the 2 days, and then we did some fish ID. It was really interesting. I really loved it, and we talked a bit about the report that we have to write. We have a lunch break now, and this afternoon we're going to the sanctuary to see the penguins and sea lions. I'm so excited. And tomorrow we have the snorkeling. I'm so excited. But yeah, no, it was really good.
So she just needs a little bit of time to...
Let's go for the second day. I'm so excited. We're going out for snorkeling. But I shall have like 2 hours in front of me. But before, I wanted to explain a bit more of what we did yesterday, because we went to the sanctuary and we did 2 ethograms. So basically what we did is every 30 seconds we recorded what the animal was doing. So this one was for the penguins and we had Biggie. And at 30 seconds it was grooming, so shaking and rubbing. It was in the plank and we just noted that it was in the sun, and we did this for 20 minutes. So every 30 seconds we were recording what it was doing. And we did the same with the sea lions. I just have to complete it because I was doing the timing for this one. So ethograms are extremely important to learn and understand animal behaviors, because sometimes when you're out in the wild looking at an animal, you don't really focus on what they're doing, you just look at the animal. But here with this exercise, it makes you look at the animal and look at it, what it was doing. We also had a page with all the behaviors that the animals could have done, and yeah, it was extremely interesting. And I'm not familiar with penguins and sea lions, so I saw some behaviors that I didn't know they would do. And yeah, no, it was so cool, so interesting. We also had the time to look at the sea turtles, the rescue sea turtles, and the dolphins as well. And by the way, now in New South Wales it's illegal to have dolphins in captivity. At the sanctuary they are the 3 last dolphins of New South Wales, but they can't be released in the wild because they grew up in the sanctuary, so they only know the sanctuary, and if we release them in the wild they will die, so the sanctuary has to keep them. And yeah, that was the end of day 1, and now let's go for second day. I'm doing some revisions because I have a quiz this afternoon. Oh, I'm ready. I have all my things. I have too much things, but let's go. Okay, I'm back from the snorkeling. I just have an hour in front of me before going back to school for the quiz this afternoon. The snorkeling was amazing. It was so cool. I got stung by jellyfish. Like, we can't really see it, but it's getting better now. But I had like the tentacles there, like all there. It was burning and burning, and my hand as well. We can't really, we can see it a bit, but yeah, so bad. One of my friend got stung like all over there in her hand, and she has to go to the doctor because it's really bad. Like her hand is so red and big and painful. So, oh, hi Kat, someone wants to say hi. Yes, girl. Anyway, we saw some leopard sharks, we saw some stingrays, we saw so many things. And when we were on the boat, like going to South Solitary Island, we saw turtles and dolphins. It was amazing. It was for sure the best snorkeling I've ever done, and even probably one of the best I've ever. It was so cool. I'm just gonna have a quick shower, eat some food, and then go back to the uni for a fun afternoon with the quiz, and we're gonna do some statistics as well. I'm done for today. It was so good. Oh my god, I loved it so much. Yeah, no, it was so good. So this afternoon we looked at like statistics and how to create graphs because we have a report to write. And yeah, it was still good. We had the quiz. I got 29 out of 30. I'm so happy. So many people got stung by the jellyfish. I don't know if I said it, but they were blue bottles, so not fun. But we had so much fun. It was so amazing and like the best residential ever, for sure. This morning snorkeling was so good. I can't think about something else right now. It was so good. What a dream life, I want to say. Like, literally studying the best thing ever in the best university, so grateful and lucky. Day 3 of the residential, let's go! Today I have fish ecology, and I know that we will do a lot of cool things. We have a fish dissection, I have a fish ID test as well. We'll do some experiments with prawns and it will be good. So let's go.
It gives off a chemical.
I have finished the morning. It was really interesting. We set up the experiment for the prawns because we have an experiment on 2 days of prawns. We'll look at the temperature and I'll explain it a bit later in the video. And we also tried to spawn sea urchins. We had a red liquid. We don't really know what happened, but some sea urchins had sperm and the other ones had eggs, so we put them all in the same bucket and we will make babies. I had my lunch break and now I'm just looking once again at the fish because I have the test in 30 minutes, so it's gonna be all good. I know my species. I believe in myself. I did not explain it. So that's me, Enya, from the edit. It's literally 2 or 3 weeks after the residential. So what we did with the experiment, we tested the effect of temperature on the feeding rate of prawns and the water quality. So basically we put 2 prawns in each bucket. In each group we had 2 buckets in cold water, 15 degrees water, and 2 other buckets in 24 degrees water. And we compared their feeding rate, how many pellets they ate in each side, the pH of the water temperature, the oxygen level in the water. We took a water sample to measure the total ammonia nitrogen. That's what we were doing in the lab. There is a kit, it's a whole process to determine the amount of total ammonia nitrogen in the water, and after with the table we converted this total ammonia nitrogen in the amount of ammonia in milligram per liter in the water. I don't know if it makes sense, but basically we calculated the amount of ammonia in the water because ammonia is toxic for prawns as well as it is for us, and it's a waste that prawns are producing with excretions and with metabolism. It's something really useful and really important to do for aquaculture. And what we realized with this experiment is that if you increase the temperature, it's good for the prawns because they are eating more, so they're growing faster. But at the moment, it's called the thermal optimum. When a certain temperature is reached, everything decreases and there's too much ammonia in the water. So you have to grow your prawns at a really precise temperature. I'm going back to my edit and I'll let you with the end of this video, which is really fun, I promise. Welcome in this last day of residential. I'm so sad. It went so fast. I love being at school. Today, fish dissection. I'm so excited for this. It's gonna be so fun. Yesterday afternoon, what we did was mostly talking about the report, how to write the result part, because it was 50% of the total report, so it's really important. And yeah, it was just talking and like a lecture about it. After that, we went back to see our brownies, and we did the same thing as the morning. We took pH and oxygen measurements, as well as the tan, total ammonia and nitrogen. And now the first thing we will do is feed the prawns again, take the same measurements again and again. And after that, it should be the fish dissection. Or maybe it's this afternoon. I'm not really sure about that. Let's go!
I feel like they died yesterday, like straight away.
Alright, who likes little ice crystals? This is roasted seaweed, that's just this flavour.
It's me again. I lied. I'm sorry. I forgot to film the end of this video. In the end of the last day, we tasted some algae. I hate algae, like really hate it. But the good thing is that we tasted hot chocolate and ice cream. Because yes, in hot chocolate and ice cream, there is an algae inside. Because it helps keep the chocolate and the milk mixed. Because if you do a hot chocolate at home and let it on the side, like the next morning the chocolate will be at the bottom and the milk on top. This algae helps keep both mixed in industrial chocolate. I literally had the best week. It's probably my favorite residential. I'm starting my second term in 2 weeks, and I will have invertebrate life where I will attend uni every week, and I will bring you with me. I'll vlog everything on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, everywhere. You will see everything. So if you want to discover the life of a marine scientist in Australia, stay with me. Don't leave. I'll finish to edit this video and enjoy my holidays, and I hope that you have a good week as well. Bye. See ya.